Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and green meadows, there lived a man named Thomas. Thomas was known far and wide for his humble heart and unwavering gratitude, a trait that seemed to weave magic into the fabric of his life. One sunny afternoon, as Thomas worked in his garden, tending to the colorful array of flowers and vegetables, his neighbor, Mrs. Henderson, approached him with a curious smile. "Thomas," she said, "I've always wondered what the secret to your success is. Your crops are abundant and your spirit is ever joyful. What's your secret?" Thomas chuckled warmly and replied, "The main secret of success is gratitude, my dear Mrs. Henderson. Being grateful for what we have opens the door to blessings we never knew were possible." Intrigued, Mrs. Henderson asked, "But how did you come to discover this secret?" Thomas motioned toward a well-worn Bible resting on a wooden table nearby. "It all started with a lesson from the good book," he explained. "There's a verse that has guided me through the seasons of life." In the book of Philippians, the Apostle Paul wrote, "Do not be anxious about anything, but in everything by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known to God." He continued, "You see, gratitude is like a key that unlocks the door to contentment. Instead of dwelling on what we lack, we shift our focus to the countless blessings surrounding us." Mrs. Henderson nodded, absorbing the wisdom of Thomas's words. "So, by being grateful, we invite his success into our lives." Thomas smiled. "Indeed, gratitude is a powerful force. It transforms challenges into opportunities and despair into hope. When we acknowledge and appreciate the goodness in our lives, it's as if we're planting seeds of abundance." And so, in that peaceful village where the fragrance of gratitude lingered in the air, the simple yet profound truth echoed, the main secret of success is gratitude, a lesson learned not only from the wisdom of a kind-hearted man, but also from the timeless teachings found within the sacred pages of the good book.